Part 1. Takasago Shrine. Part 2. Around the old residence of Kuraku Matsuemon, the Wharf, where the Kuraku Matsuemon clan worked hard. Part 3. Ginza Shopping Street Restaurant Sora Mame, steamed conger eel. Part 1. Takasago Shrine. Check the video trilogy on the map. Today, I'm going to eat conger eels from Takasago Shrine, Imazu-cho, and Sora Mame, in Ginza Shopping District. At Takasago Shrine, there is a bronze statue of Kuraku Matsuemon. There is a residence of Kuraku Matsuemon in Imazu-cho, so I will stop by later. I will go to the residence of Kuraku Matsuemon for the first time in about 10 years. I didn't know about Kuraku Matsuemon at all until now, but this time I learned a lot and found out that he was a good person. What Kuraku Matsuemon thought was most wonderful was that he made his invention public without monopoly. I made this video in 3 parts. If you put it all together, it will take more than 40 minutes, so I made 3 parts as follows. The first part is Takasago Shrine. The second part will visit the site of Kuraku Matsuemon's residence and its surroundings, and the breakwater in Takasago, which is one of the achievements of Kuraku Matsuemon. The third part is eating steamed conger eel at the restaurant Sora Mame. In this video, I would like to commend Kuraku Matsuemon, who was born in Takasago, for his great achievements in contributing to society. I can see the torii gate of Takasago Shrine. Enter the precincts of Takasago Shrine. There is Hiyaku-do Ishi on the right side. Hiyaku-do Ishi is a stone pillar that stands in the precincts of shrines and temples and serves as a sign for the distance to go back and forth in 100 visits. Stone lanterns are lined up on both sides of the approach. I can see the bronze statue of Kuraku Matsuemon over there. This is the chozuya. Chozuya is where worshippers clean their hands and mouth. This is the hall of worship. It is symmetrical. Depending on the shrine, it may not be symmetrical. The Sane Tenman-gu shrine introduced earlier was asymmetrical. It is a state of the precincts. Explains the history of Takasago Shrine. Various legends are written, including the deities of Takasago Shrine and annual events. There is an explanation of the Takasago Castle ruins. In the Edo period 1603 to 1868 AD, the Himeji domain built Takasago Castle. After that, it seems that the castle was abandoned because the One Country One Castle Decree 1615 AD was issued. It is engraved with the ruins of Takasago Castle by Telmasa Ye Keta. This is the bronze statue of Kuraku Matsuemon. I will introduce a little about Kuraku Matsuemon later. The achievements of Kuraku Matsuemon (1743 to 1812 AD) are mainly engraved here. Walk around the Hall of Worship. Setsumatsusha is lined up. By Goshuin. Here. Setsumatsusha is lined up here as well. This is Ioi no Matsu, 5th generation. I can see the No stage. On this information board, the No song, Takasago, and Takasago Shrine are written. This is Rei-sho-den. It is Ibuki from Shinboku. I will leave the precincts. It was a good visit. Part 1. Takasago Shrine. This video is over. Part 2. Around the old residence of Kuraku Matsuemon, the Wharf, where the Kuraku Matsuemon clan worked hard. Continue to the second part.